So here we are going to have the main animation. So our main animation, which is going to be the paint target animate strategy, that's going to be our interface. We will be using that, and with that we're going to be calling upon two methods. We call upon these two methods within the paint target class, although these two methods implement the paint target animate strategy interface. So PT hit and PT animation following is going to implement paint target animate strategy. So first, our main animation for our enemy target is going to be the PT animation falling. So we'll take a look at that first. And essentially all that we have here, we're taking where our paint target is currently at. That's going to be the context location, and we're just making it fall, so we only need to mess with the y-axis. We're just going to steadily move that down our window pane. And then we'll take a look at PT hit. That's the other one that we're using here, or the other animation that we're using. And with that, all that we're essentially doing here, we're basically saying, okay, let's take, if our paint target is hit, we want to check the color of both what hit it, so either the grenade or the paintball, and see if they match with the color of our paint target that was hit. So that would be right here. And if so, we're just going to go ahead and kill that off, which is going to be this line. So let's go ahead and take a look at our actual paint target class. So this enemy object, I'll show how the animation works. First, whenever we're initially setting up our paint target, we're always going to be setting the animation strategy to falling. And here our animation strategy comes right off of the PT animate strategy. So since it's falling, we're going to be down here. Now once our paint target is hit by either a paintball or a grenade, which is going to be the way that we kill it. The way that you kill these enemy targets, you want to hit it with either a paintball or grenade. And if it's the same color as a paintball or grenade, then it's going to die once it is collided with. So here, once we hit it, we want to send it down to PT, our paint target hit strategy, and check to see if it's the same color. And if it is, then we're going to go ahead and kill it off. Now here, these are all going to be our enemy targets created in a constant loop. They're going to constantly fall down as long as the game is being played and it's not game over. And once they actually hit this line, they're going to speed up. This is the game over line. And these paint targets are going to speed up and end the game once they cross. And here we also have easy, medium, and hard mode. You can select whichever mode and it will speed up the process of the game, which will all in all make it a little bit tougher to play. So the medium falls a little bit faster. The The next time you go through, you can go ahead and run it on hard. Hard is going to run a lot faster. And then once it crosses that line, it's game over. And the way that you kill these enemy targets, or these paint targets, you want to either left mouse click on the destination where you want your paint target to hit, or you can hit the space bar, and with the space bar it'll launch a grenade, which are going to be your two weapons. So that is your paintball. It's just going to hit whichever ones that it makes contact with. Your grenade, however, will go to the mouse location, hit spacebar, and it will expand and kill all the paint targets within that radius of its blast that are the same color. And that's how you kill these paint targets.